Rebuilds and strengthens skin. Dove Men+Care Extra Fresh Face and Body Wash is made with plant-based cleansers and skin-strengthening nutrients for healthier, smoother skin. From the #1 dermatologist recommended men's brand, this face and body wash washes away without leaving residue on your skin. It's also an effective cleanser for hands. Micromoisture technology. The only face and body wash powered by Micromoisture technology, which activates on skin and is clinically proven to fight dry skin better than regular body and face wash. New formula. Dove Men+Care Extra Fresh Body and Face Wash was developed for men's skin. Our body wash features Micromoisture technology, plant-based cleansers, and skin-strengthening nutrients. Designed for men. Men's skincare is different. Men sweat more, have thicker skin and lose hydration faster. Our body wash is developed for men's skin to keep it healthy and protected from dryness. Care for the planet. Each Dove Men+Care body wash bottle is recyclable and made with 100% recycled plastic and is PETA certified cruelty-free. Top reviews from the United States. Dove Bath Wash for Men is my permanent choice. Dove Bath Wash gives you clean with kindness to the skin, plus a good smell. Comes in a friendly user squeeze bottle and competitive price.